Hi, I'm John Griesbach with Diamond H2O. Today I'd like to just go through on your Freedom Water Softener the wiring connections to your circuit board. First, to get at your circuit board, there's a tab on either side of the cover. You just want to pull those tabs slightly apart and pull that cover directly off. So that exposes your circuit board. Your circuit board for a twin Freedom Water Softener will have 4 connections at the board. From left to right, what you're going to find is you're going to find your motor connection. It comes on and off very easily. You're going to find the connection to your alternator. Again, a 2-prong connection that comes off very easily. Your alternator is located in the back. That's what allows you to switch from tank A, the tank with the head, to tank B, and back and forth. Next, you'll find a 4-pin connection, which is your power. And finally, a 3-pin connection at the end, which is your flow meter. You can also identify your wires by what's printed directly on the circuit board. So for example, this one says COM cable. This one says 12 VAC. This one says meter. This one says MAV. MAV stands for motorized alternating valve. And this one just says motor. If you have any questions regarding the wiring of your water softener, please contact diamondh2o.com. Thanks and have a great day.